In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Sheets not responding error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're getting this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you need to go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Sheets, tap on it to open, and from here first go to force stop to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Finally, clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone and make sure you are not using any VPN. If you have one, turn it off. Then open your app and everything should be working without any issue. But should this not work, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for your app. So just search for Sheets, and if I run search, now you can see we have our app here. Tap on it and check and see if we have any update your app to the latest version. At this point now, your app shouldn't return the error and everything should be up and running without any problem. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.